This video is sponsored by Green Chef. The objective of this video is cleaning. Why? Because in a couple weeks I'm going to be hosting a party at my house and I'd like to fool the people attending the party into thinking that I'm an adult that has their life put together and not someone who is living in constant chaos. Just kidding. The people that's going to be attending the party is my family, so they already know I'm a mess. But, you know, I'm going to be decorating for said party and I would like the decorations to look good and not be overshadowed by the clutter. So, and plus, around springtime I did a spring cleaning video and that helped tremendously with like the keeping up with the cleaning, so I figured we'd do like the fall version of that, even though it's still like end of summer. So that's what we're going to be doing. But right now we have a couple errands to run. I have a package to mail. Anne's birthday present. Got to put that in the mail. I got to deliver some eggs to my mom and my aunt. And also my aunt is like one of those eBay sellers. Like she goes and thrifts and then like sells stuff on eBay. And I've had a plethora of boxes that I've been saving for her sitting in my doorway for months now. So we need to get those out of my doorway and into her eBay hoarding room. So those tasks are first and foremost. Okay, so first task done. Dropped off the package to be mailed to Anne. However, I did hit a pole. So, not great. I didn't put my car in park before I started fumbling getting my package together and just slowly drifted forward into this pole. So, scratched my car. The pole is fine. The pole is completely fine because it was just idling forward, you know, but dumb. So dumb. We're dropping off eggs at my mom's and she wants to show you guys her wreath. What she's zhuzhed up that she thrifted last time. So, show them.
Turned out okay?
Yeah, looks good. Looks way better than it did before. Here you go, madame.
Thank you.
Bye. We're home. Just a few minor scratches to my car. But before we could start controlling this chaos, let's add to it because I need to cook some lunch. I'm hungry. And that brings us to the sponsor of today's video, which is Green Chef. If you're like me, you go through stretches of time that I like to call food slumps, where you don't really have the motivation to plan a menu. But if you're also like me, you still got goals you want to accomplish, and you'd like to eat clean. And that's where Green Chef comes in. They're the #1 meal delivery service for clean eating. You get to choose from over 80 weekly menu options to customize based on your needs across over 8 different dietary preferences, including plant-based, gluten-free, low-carb, Mediterranean, and more. All the recipes are pre-portioned and ready to go. I can have a fresh meal on the table in as little as 15 minutes. And not only does it take the stress out of coming up with dinner ideas, but it helps me stay on track and order out less. Plus, the meals are delicious. So if Green Chef seems like something you'd be interested in, head to greenchef.com or click the link below and use code 50Beatrice to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first Green Chef box, plus 20% off for 2 months. That's code 50Beatrice at greenchef.com to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first Green Chef box, plus 20% off for 2 months. Code 50Beatrice at greenchef.com. Okay, we ran our errands, we ate. Now we need to stop procrastinating and get down to business. First things first, before we get into anything that's going to take me a while, probably should start a load of laundry, right? All the laundry is collected. I really don't know what it is, but neither Steven nor I know how to use a laundry basket. Like, it just does not pan out. I have about 4 laundry baskets going in the house at one time, but we both can't manage to hit them. I've tried putting the laundry baskets like at our normal spots where things pile up. We don't use them. We'll make a pile next to the laundry basket. What's that all about? Okay, 'tis cleaning day 2. Got most of like the main kitchen area done. It took longer than expected because I actually had to like take stuff out of the cabinets and declutter and put everything back in an orderly fashion in order for everything on the counter to not be on the counter. So it took way longer than I thought it would. But now we're gonna focus on the rest of the main floor, the main area, because that's the important area. I'm like always perpetually impressed when my plants live because I forget to water them. But we'll give these a thorough soak and at least get rid of like one of these shelves. I was contemplating getting a Roomba for this reason exactly. But then I started seeing everywhere that like people's Roombas were taking pictures of them on the toilet and stuff. So then I was like, eh. Even though I had the best name ever for a Roomba, Reba, like Reba McEntire, because my Roomba would be like a single mom that works too hard. Loves her kids and never stops. With gentle hands and the heart of a fighter. I'm a survivor. This mirror, I don't know if I could have hung it more precariously. It's heavy AF, and I just used like one of those monkey hook things. It's pretty sketch, but it has not fallen in the entire like 2.5 years that I've lived here. It's also never gotten cleaned thoroughly either, without streaks.
First, Doug scares. Get me here, you good shove. Come on. Fragile.
Bee lights.
Oh.
Chetty, did you find a new spot? I just folded that. Okay. I know everything is definitely cleaner and more organized, but it doesn't look a whole lot different. I'll say that much. But that's the biggest area and like the most concern, and that accumulates the most clutter. The party's still not for 10 days, so I'm not even gonna worry about like cleaning the bathroom and like the bedroom and stuff yet. I will obviously clean those things, but it shouldn't take very long, and I just needed to get like the main area done because I need to like start decorating some of the things. I have this whole vision in mind, okay? I'll take you guys along on that journey too in like a vlog. So a little sneak peek at the decorations were those bee lights that I got into while Steven was vacuuming the couch. So take your guesses on the theme. Oh, it's a birthday party for my sister, by the way. I don't know if you remember, but like for one of my mom's birthday parties, I did a whole thing. So I'm doing a whole thing again, but for my sister. But yeah, anyways, I guess that's it. I just want to thank you so much for being that peer pressure to help me be a more tidy person. Other than that, I just hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!